On the second challenge for unpacking lists, we're asked what will the Python interpreter do if you try to unpack a list that contains 3 objects into 4 variables. Hint, you should open a Python interpreter and try to test this. Let's go ahead and do just exactly that. Here I have actually a terminal and a VS Code instance open. So the first thing I need to do is go ahead and declare a list. And let's just go ahead and say 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's go ahead and I think I said a list of 3 elements into 4 variables. A, B, C, and D equals to my list. And let's execute my file. It says not enough values to unpack. Expected 4, got 3. So let's go back to our question, see what that has to say. It sets the 4th variable to none. That's not true. It throws an exception and halts execution of the code. That is true. It assigns the first 3 variables and ignores the 4th. That's not true. Right, we know it's definitely the second one here, and that is the answer.